Hello, welcome to Bharat Reselling. Upload your products and reach 16,000 resellers and 2,325 retail stores across India. In this video, we'll show you how to upload products in bulk using Excel sheet quickly and easily. Let's get started. To do this, first search for Bharat Reselling on Google or in your preferred web browser. After that, select the Bharat Reselling website link. Once the web page opens, at the top right corner of the window, you can see an option called Seller Login. Click on that. In the Seller Login window, enter your account email address and password sent to your WhatsApp and email after the registration process, and then click the Login to Dashboard option. After opening the Seller Dashboard, you can see several options on the left side of the window. From those, click on Products. On the Products page, you will see three options: Add B2B, Bulk Upload, Export Products. In that, click Bulk Upload. Then you will see a window called Import Products B2B Bulk Upload. In that, download the sample Excel file by clicking the Download Here option. Then open the Excel file, where you will find sample products provided for your reference, and replace them with your own product details in bulk, such as product name, manufacturer, B2B category ID, brand ID, capacity, SKU number, warranty description, country of origin, material, manufacturer part numbers, color and size, model name, components, product dimensions, highlights, number of stocks available, product active or inactive status, home product status, and description. Now, for price details, you need to enter your bulk pricing clearly. First, in quantity number 1, enter your minimum order quantity. For example, you can enter 5 pieces. Next, in the B2B storeholder price, enter your price per piece, including GST. For example, 220 rupees per piece. This price already includes GST and our 7% commission. Now, in the MRP for customers, enter the selling price. For example, 499 rupees. This is the price your resellers will sell to customers. Next, in the GST percentage field, enter only the GST rate. For example, 5% or 12% or 18%. Do not add GST again in the price because your price already includes GST. This field is only for reference and billing purposes. Similarly, for quantity number 2, add 10 pieces. Here, you can give a better price, like 210 rupees per piece. Keep the MRP the same, 499 rupees. As the quantity increases, you should offer better pricing. This helps resellers buy more products in bulk. Similarly, do the same for quantity 3, 4, 5 with 15, 20, 25, or even 50 pieces. More quantity, better price. More sales for you and your resellers. Next, fill in shipping details such as length, breadth, and height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. Then add the product image URL in the required fields. Once all details are completed, save the Excel sheet. Now, go to the Import Products window. Upload the saved Excel file using the Choose File option and click Save. After successful import, you will see a confirmation pop-up along with the total number of rows and inserted rows. Next, go to the Products section. All your products will be listed, initially without images. To add images, click the Action button and select Edit. In the Edit Product window, scroll down. You will see Display Product Image. Click Choose File and upload your main product image. Below that, you will see Product Image. Click Choose File and upload multiple product images. Once uploaded, click Submit.
Repeat the same process for all products to upload product images.
Now you can see all your products with complete details and images.
If you want to search a product in Products list,
go to the search bar and enter the product name. That's it. Now, you can see your products listed on our website. You have successfully uploaded your products in bulk using an Excel sheet. Watch our next video to learn how to process order as a seller in Bharat Reselling. Start selling today and earn more profits with Bharat Reselling.